Overview for RPL USDT. Trading style, spot. Time frame, midterm. Margin mode, isolated. Signal type, swing trade. Target time frame, approximately 1 month between take profits. We recommend entering the trade after a pullback. Entry point, 33.45 to 35.37. Take profit targets. Target 1, 44.36. Target 2, 52.10. Target 3, 57.62. Target 4, 65.21. Target 5, 73.17. Stop loss. Stop level, 24.97. Allocate 2 to 3% of your investment for this spot trade to maximize participation while effectively managing risks. Remember to adjust your stop loss to your entry point or previous take profit level after reaching any take profit target. This helps protect your profits and limit potential losses if the market moves against you. Effective risk management is essential for successful trading. Disclaimer: this analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Do your own research and use a proper risk management strategy before making any trades. There is no guarantee of success in cryptocurrency trading, and you may lose all or part of your investment. We are not liable for any losses you may incur trading with this analysis or any other analysis we provide. Please trade with caution and responsibility.